Welcome to our latest video on Stairs Garden, unleashing the magic of vertical gardening. Gardening is an age-old tradition and has stood the test of time. And vertical gardening is the latest trend that has taken the world by storm. In this video, we will explore the world of Stairs Garden, which is a unique and creative way to use vertical space to create you a stunning garden. What is stairs garden? A stairs garden is a type of vertical garden that uses the space available on the stairs. It's a creative way to transform an otherwise bland and unused area into a beautiful green space. Stairs garden is perfect for those who have limited space or those who want to add an element of surprise to their garden. Choosing the right plants for your stair gardens. Choosing the right plants for your stairs garden is crucial to its success. It's essential to choose plants that thrive in your climate and are suitable for the amount of light and shade available. In this chapter, we will discuss the different types of plants that are best suited for stairs gardens and the care they need. Designing your stairs garden. Designing a stairs garden requires careful planning and consideration. And this chapter, we will provide you with some tips and ideas to help you design a beautiful and functional stairs garden. We will cover everything from selecting the right containers to arranging the plants in a visually pleasing way. Tips for maintaining your stairs garden. Maintaining your stairs gardens requires a little bit of effort, but it's worth it to keep your garden looking beautiful. And this chapter, we will provide you with some tips and tricks to help you maintain your stairs garden. We will cover watering, fertilizing, pruning, and pest control. Benefits of stairs garden. Stairs garden not only looks great, but it also offers numerous benefits. And this chapter we will discuss the various advantages of having a stairs garden. We will cover everything from improving air quality to reducing stress level. Stairs garden is a unique and creative way to use vertical space to create a stunning garden. With the right plants, design, and care, your stairs garden can become a beautiful and functional part of your home. So unleash the magic of vertical gardening and create your stairs garden today. We hope you found this video helpful, and as always, please feel free to leave your comments and questions down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all of our latest gardening and farming tips. Happy gardening and thanks for watching.